Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, as you know very well that we are revising the chapter 5 exponents, and now today we will study the most important topic of this chapter, laws of exponents. So let's study laws of exponents. Now a to the power n multiplied by a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n, means multiplication of powers in the same base. A and A, these are the same base, so the powers, or we can say exponents, will get added. Now a to the power n divided by a to the power n, in this case also base are same and powers are different. Okay, so we will subtract their powers or exponents. So the answer will be a to the power m minus n, dividing powers in the same base. Now a to the power n and the whole is raised to the power n, so it will be a to the power mn, that is m into n. Okay, power of a power. When there is exponential notation raised to the power n, then the powers will get multiplied. So the result will be a to the power n into n. Now multiplying and dividing powers are the same powers. Okay, a to the power m multiplied by b to the power n. Here the base are different, but the power is same. So we will multiply a into b and raised to the whole power is n. Similarly, a to the power m divided by b to the n. Here a and b has different base, but the power is same. So a upon b and raised to the whole n. Okay, now last exponent law is a to the power 0 is equal to 1, that is 0 exponent. Okay, any base, any number having the 0 power, its value is equal to 1. So question is expressed in exponential form. Now a 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 4. Here the base is same, that is 5. So according to law of exponent, when the base are same, the powers or exponents will get added. So 5 to the power 3 plus 4. It means we will add the powers. 3 plus 4 will get 7. So the answer will be 5 to the power 7. Okay. Now next, minus 8 to the power 4 divided by minus 8 to the power 2. Here minus 8 and minus 8, the base is same, but in this case there is not multiplication, it is a division. Okay, minus 8 to the 4 divided by minus 8 to the 2. Okay, when the base are in division, so we will subtract the powers, that is we will get minus 8 to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, so we will get minus 8 to the power 2 is the required answer in exponential form. Next, 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. In this case, the exponents, or we can say powers, are same, but the base are different. So we will put in bracket both the base in multiplication, that is 5 into 3 whole raised to the power 4. Okay, so the answer will be 5 3 is 15 raised to the power 4. Now next question is different. We have to evaluate the value of this question, that is minus 5 to the power 0 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 7 0. Okay, we know that any number or any base having the exponent of power 0, its value is 1. So its value is 1, and similarly minus 2 upon 7 is equal to 0, its value is 1. So 1 multiplied 1 we get 1. So my dear students, I am sure that you understood laws of exponents and the question based on laws of exponents. Thank you very much.